So we're going to chat about congruency this time around. So we're still on the subject of triangles. So let's dive right into this part. Okay, so two or more shapes. We're going to speak specifically about triangles. So two or more triangles are congruent if they have the same shape and size. So that means that the shapes are exactly equal to each other. That's what congruent means. So if you look at these two triangles, for example, these two triangles are exactly the same, and these bottom two as well are exactly the same. So fancy word congruent, all their meaning is they're the exact same shape and size. So there's different ways to prove that two shapes or two triangles specifically are congruent, and that is, well, yeah, one of the ways to prove that is side, side, side. So if you can prove that all sides, the corresponding sides of the two triangles are equal, then that means that those triangles are congruent or they are equal to each other. So for example here, as you can see from the highlights that I've added in, so if you can prove that the blues are equal to each other, the purple and the red, then you're technically proving that those two triangles are congruent or equal to each other. Then we've got side, angle, side. So that's another way of proving congruency. So if you can find two sides that are equal and one angle that is the same in both of the triangles, then you can prove that those triangles are the same as well. All right, and then we've got angle, angle, side. So if you can prove two angles are equal, or two pairs of angles are equal, and one and two sides are equal, then you can. That's another way of proving that they are congruent. And then we've got right angle hypotenuse side, so RHS. So that is saying if you've got two right angle triangles, so that's already one angle that's equal, right angle, and the hypotenuse of the two triangles are equal, so that's one side that's equal, and another side is also equal, then those two triangles are congruent. So this right angle hypotenuse side is basically the same as the side angle side. So you're proving that two sides are equal and that one angle is equal as well. So just these abbreviations that you see on there, you'll use those when you are explaining your proofs. So if you say, for example, that the blue line is equal to that, and that is equal to that, and that is equal to that, therefore, these two triangles are congruent, the reason that you would state is side, side, side. So just something that you need to remember there. All right, what goes hand in hand with congruency is similarity. While congruency was talking about how the shapes of the triangles are equal, similarity just means that they are similar. So they're not the exact same size, but the shape is the same. We'll dive into that in the next video.